Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in for today's video. My name's Lena and today I'd like to talk to you about this year's Suqqu Holiday Makeup Collection. So I have to apologize in advance because these beautiful makeup kits are pretty much sold out everywhere. So I guess this video holds very little informational value. I have spotted them, a couple of them on eBay, and there is a website that ships directly from Japan if you're interested. They're slightly more expensive than the retail price. But anyway, I still wanted to cover all the holiday makeup collections that I purchased this year, and I wanted to rant a little bit about Suqqu. So I am going to show you some good clear swatches as I always have, and share my reviews and thoughts on them. And I will do a simple look demo. So that's the video for today. If you're interested, please keep watching. So if you don't know Suqqu, it's a Japanese luxury brand, and I believe this is under Kanebo umbrella. And they do have a European headquarters and European market, and they are usually available on Selfridges and Harrods, the UK department stores. I'm a huge fan of their eyeshadow formulation. I think the price on Selfridges or on Harrods, it's very reasonable for the quality they offer. I have tried their makeup, some of the skincare items, pretty much they do everything very well. And the eyeshadow formulation is really something special. It applies and layers so beautifully. It's not crazy pigmented or anything like that, but just like applies so beautifully. And there's something really unique and genius about their color stories as well. So when this makeup kits came out this year, I was really excited. I thought the price was really reasonable and there was something for everybody because makeup kit A consists of purple and pink and red. It's like a cool tone makeup, and makeup kit B, it has like a green, deep, rich orange accented makeup kit that will be perfect for warm color lovers. So, and then they said, oh, it's going to be available on Selfridges and Harrods and Liberty London and even Cult Beauty. So I was excited about that, but guess what? It just sold out almost immediately, and there was a brief small quantity of a restocks on makeup kit B, then it was gone. So I don't know, it's just like there are customers who are willing to pay for them, but then like they can't buy it because there are so little quantities available in this part of the globe. I hear that more available in Japan and Korea, obviously, but I just wish Suqqu make them a little bit more accessible, not making us chase all the time like this. It's getting a little tiring, but the makeup collection, the kit itself is really beautiful. I love how complex it is, and then I learned that it was built around the theme of winter. So it kind of symbolizes beautiful cold winter night, a starry night, and some snow and red flowers. So poetic and gorgeous, and I think the makeup kit represents the theme very, very nicely. So I love everything in this kit. So that's why I feel more like, I don't know, I just wish it was available more. So that's my little overview and rant on this year's holiday collection from Suqqu. And now let's see some swatches. My skin is already prepped, so let's start with the foundation. Today I like to use Suqqu, the cream foundation. And this is a very, very nice cream foundation with a beautiful luminous finish, and it gives really nice coverage. I have the shade 110. It's like a light yellow based color that matches my neck color very nicely. So I'm gonna dot it here and there, and then blend it out using a foundation brush today. Oh my god, this matches my dress. It's funny. Okay. I think that's more than enough. So I'm gonna use a angled foundation brush and just blend it out. It's quite moisturizing too, so I like using this foundation during the winter time. I think this gives me enough coverage, so I'm gonna skip the concealer and set it with Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, pressed powder, only because I want to use this up. It's a very nice setting powder, but I don't know why I still prefer my loose powder. I probably won't repurchase this. Okay, so now my makeup is nicely set and I am going to move on to the eye makeup. And for the eyeshadow primer, I like to use Hourglass Veil Eye Primer. This is really creamy, nice eyeshadow primer. So let's apply some eyeshadows here. So I'm gonna start with this yellow beige satin shade in the quad. And I'm going to apply this beautiful shade all over my lids. And I'm going to use a very fluffy crease brush here and go into that reddish, brownish, purplish, very complex shade. I don't know how to describe this shade, but this is a matte shade. And I'm going to carefully apply this color along the crease. This is what I love about Suqqu eyeshadows. You still can see clear pigment, but it's very easy to control the color intensity. It never accentuates any texture. Just layer really beautifully. Okay, and I'm going to use a stubby flat eyeshadow brush and go into that dark shimmery purple shade. To me, this is the star shade of the palette, and I'm going to apply this color in my lid space along the lash lines. Add some definition. And I'm going to use smaller flat eyeshadow brush and mix this matte color and shimmery color together and create something deeper, and add that on the outer corners of my eyes and add even more depth and bring it downwards like this, connect a little bit. And I'm going to add this very light shimmery pink on the inner corners and brighten things up a little bit. And using the same brush, I'm gonna go back into this light beige color and blend the whole thing out while adding a little bit of warmth to the look. Okay, I am going to line my lower lash lines using this Chanel waterproof eyeliner. This is the shade Cassis, and this is a very dark, almost black plum shade, and this will go very nicely with this eyeshadow colors. And I'm gonna go ahead line my upper lash lines as well. Just mainly focus on the outer half. I think I am done with the eyeshadows for now, so I am going to do my eyebrows and mascara off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I finished my eye makeup and it's time to apply blush and highlighter. And this compact is really handy. It's lightweight and it has blush and cream highlighter together. And because I have used this already a couple of times, that beautiful Suqqu logo is long gone. And this blush color, I have to say, it's really complex. It has everything in it. It's kind of brownish red, but it has a little bit of berry tone to it. And I am not usually big on cream blushes. I just find it very difficult to evenly apply, but this one does a great job. It applies really nicely, seamlessly, and I almost always set my makeup with loose powder, so I am basically applying this on a very matte surface, and it still blends out very nicely without lifting any base makeup set, so I like it. And the color is very unique in my collection. It corresponds beautifully to the eyeshadows and the lip color included in the kit. So very nice color, and highlighter is also very nice quality. It feels a little bit more wet compared to the blush, but it doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. It's a very subtle, sophisticated highlighter in terms of the finish. It like subtly gleams on the cheeks, and I really like it. I hope you can see it, how beautiful it looks. I guess I can add a little bit of this here on my nose. Okay, so that's the blush and highlighter. The lip color is a liquid lipstick. I think it's called Comfort Fluid or Fluid Comfort. So it's slightly sticky, wet looking lip color with full coverage. So this particular color, I find it too vampy and almost too dark if I apply it in full strength. So I need to apply it a little bit and then sheer it out. And then it becomes beautiful, very natural. My lips, but I don't know, I've eaten some berries just now kind of color, so it's pretty deep. So I'm just going to blend it out using my fingertips. So this is the finished look, and I hope you enjoy this makeup demo and my review and swatches on this year's Suqqu Holiday Makeup Collection. I would love to hear your thoughts. What you think about this makeup collection particularly, or if you have managed to grab one of these makeup kits for yourself, or in general, what your thoughts are on this ongoing situation that we seem to have about limited edition makeup. I would love to know. So thank you very much for watching this video and staying with me. I really appreciate it. Like this video and subscribe if you can. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.